Brian Spontaneous Creations here. What I got in front of you is a 16 by 20 canvas and a 3D printed star thing. Now this is, I'm going to do what I call a petal pour. Most people use like a bottle bottom and they create petals. I 3D printed this toy. Just something to make. Let's see. I got Pourage Posse Paints. I got some Galaxy Blue Shimmer. Some Crystal's Laguna Shimmer. Christina's Laguna Shimmer. Bubblegum Shimmer. Pourage Posse Purple Shimmer. And this is the Sleeping Beauty's Turquoise. All Pourage Posse. Then I got some black and some white Creative Inspirations. I have some other Pourage Posse colors here, but I don't think I'm going to use them. I think I'm going to stick with just these colors. Let's see. Let's see how the new toy works. First off, I need to put gloves on. Oh, look. I have one more pair of green gloves left. I thought there was only one green glove in that box, but there was two. I scored! Thank you for the gloves, by the way, Christina and Alan. Okay, let me throw some black down in the middle. Just big puddle of black. We're going to tilt that out some. Not going all the way to the edge with this. Just a puddle in the middle. Because and then I want a little bit of blue in the middle. A little bit of this. Let's pop some bubbles real quick. Just because. And then I'm going to take my star thing and I'm going to set it right down there, hopefully in the center. I might have wanted to put more blue on that. Oh well. We'll see what happens when it comes up. So I'm going to start with the Galaxy Blue. No, I'm not going to start with the Galaxy Blue. I was thinking Galaxy Blue if that other blue came out, but we're going to go with some yellow. And I'm just going to pour yellow right in there like that. And we're going to watch what happens. Maybe that base was too much black. But now we're going to put some blue in there. So it's flowing out of a couple of them really good, a couple of the holes really good, but a couple of them seem to have gotten air bubbles. You know what? I don't like this. I'm not going to waste any more paint. I'm going to scrape this for something I very rarely do, and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I went in and scraped that, but I have not scraped too many paintings, so I'm not sure if I didn't just rub silicone all over this canvas or not. I probably did. We'll have to see what's going to happen now. So again, I'm going to go with some black in the middle, but nowhere near as much. And I'm going to go with some of this blue. And I'm going to tilt that out some. For no reason, just because I want to. This might be a longer video than most of mine, but okay, there's that. And then again, I got my toy. Wash it off and such. Put that out there like that. But I did grab some Allen's Red Shimmer because I wanted some red in there, and we're going to start with that. Not even enough to come out the holes, so oops. Then some Galaxy Blue. Throw some purple on there. What the heck? I quit talking, I know, because I don't know what's... I don't know. I don't even know what to say right now. I'm seeing what's happening the same as you. These little bottles did not have any silicone in them. They were not pre-mixed with silicone. I put PBO silicone in them myself. Maybe some white. Lot of paint, but let it spread for a minute or two now. I know there's no order to my rings as far as color after color. I know somebody's going to make this a much nicer, painting with this gadget, or version of this gadget. I know I said I'm going to let it sit for a couple minutes, and I just start pouring more paint on there. But kind of having fun with it. I don't believe I've ruined it yet. I do need to walk away from it for just a minute, because I really kind of like what's going on, but I need to drain out some. Those holes may be a little bit lower on the toy. I just had an idea for my next version of this. What color now? I almost never have a plan as far as what colors I'm going to put on and in what order I'm going to put them on. Almost never. I know there's some people out there that are adamant about what colors go next to each other and what makes mud and what doesn't, and some have to plan it out completely as to what they're doing. That ain't me. That's why I got so many colors in front of me. I guess if I limited the colors that I had in front of me on the table, I might do better. But that would take planning, and I don't do plans. I'm having fun with this one. If you want to sit and watch me babble, play with this for a while, I welcome you. But don't expect any logical talk right now. When it comes to tilting this, it's going to be a mess. What the heck? Throw some pink on the white. I could push all those other colors that are still in there out with it. let it flow out some more. Excuse me. How many people think I should start tilting her around and stuff? And how many people think I should just put some more paint on it? Give it a minute, Brian. Slow down. Relax. Well, this is some pre-mixed Allen's red shimmer that gave me. That Christina Welsh gave me. That bottle's done. This bottle's almost done. That bottle appears to have a big booger in it. I don't know if that's what dropped off of there or not. Big booger dropped off in my painting. Well, what color now? It's more yellow? Since the yellow has been eaten up every time, maybe I'll wait a minute. I'll wait a minute again. How long is this video? 13 minutes already. I haven't even started tilting. No more black. I don't like this ring of black, but it'll look okay after it's tilted. Give it a healthy dose of yellow there. Purple's done. Oh well. A little bit of this blue left. Throw that on there. Yes, I realize I'm severely overdoing it on the paint. Okay. I'm done putting paint on it, guys. I'm gonna give it another minute. Well, I'm not done putting paint on it, really, because I'm gonna do that. I'll grab one of these. Just want it to touch. Just want that black paint to touch the edge. I don't know whether this is helping at all or will help at all, but it's my canvas. It's my paints. You don't want to watch, you don't have to, I guess. And it's giving me time that I'm giving it time to flow out of that thing. Just messing around. I have no idea whether this is going to end up being a good painting or not. But, we ready? It's going to make a huge mess. Ooh, it's stuck on there. Let it gather back in the middle again. Not that that much weight should have any problem pulling back. I could do this. Well, what do you think? Torch time? I think torch time. So I want to try and move this whole thing this way before I move it out. That worked better. I don't know if I mentioned it, but that you hear in the background, that is the 3D printer going. It might be annoying some people. At this point in time, it has to be going. I would get no time to paint anymore if I didn't do it while the printer was going. You can see how much coming back to the center really means. Especially when you got this much paint on a canvas. And sometimes it's how fast you come back to the center that will wonk your things out. It'll get wonky on you if you go too fast back to the center or away from the center sometimes. I mean, you kind of want to bring it back to the center and let it settle just for a minute or a second. Just seconds. Let it settle and then start again. Let that puddle widen out some that way so that tilting towards another edge doesn't cause a giant funnel. See, I'm come back too fast. Set it down. Now I'm going to go this way and this way and this way and this way. hopefully not. This is where if you come back too fast, you're gonna get it messed up. Like, I'm not convinced I'm not gonna mess this up yet. Need to do as I said I would to do, let it settle for a second. Hopefully widen that out some as it's coming this way. Keep an eye on what I'm doing, not looking at the rest of the painting. Go looking back at spots on the rest of the painting while you're doing that. You're going to screw up also. Now that way and then back this way. Massive amounts of paint on this left on this canvas, but I really like what happened. So it really needs to go that way. I'm afraid to do it, but it has to go that way. When you do get it out of whack, you have to try and remember the path that you pushed the paint, and then try and go back that same path to get it back to where you had it. I don't know if that made any sense to anyone at all, but that's what I just did. The petals didn't really hold up, but the rings of color kind of held up. I had a lot more rings, huh? Only some survived. I really like it. I like the edges. It dries like this, and then I put a I don't know if I would varnish this. Resin would be a little bit much because it's a big piece. Maybe some tri-art glass on this one. Lots of paint left on there. Not gonna get no cracking though. Why am I not gonna get cracking? Because I believe. No, I don't know why I don't have trouble with cracking like some people do. I think it might be the temperature in this basement being a little bit cooler and then drying a little slower, but I'm not in a rush. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm going to let it dry. I'll be back in a minute. A couple days for me, minute for you. Seconds even. Okay, I'm back in a few days. First off, when letting a painting dry, don't do this. Don't come down the next day and go, oh wow, it's already dry on the edge. Wasn't dry. Got me a finger mark right there. Really sucks, but for the most part this dried nicely. I mean, it is totally dry now. I can rub my hand all over it. This was done with the star thing that I printed. Let's see, good look at it. It's just a piece of plastic in different shapes and all put together. Used a lot of paint on this, as you know from watching the video. There's no cracking whatsoever. I do love the colors. It's not exactly flower-like. I don't know. You guys like this? Please let me know. This one's done. Well, I'll put a coat of varnish on it. Hopefully I can do something about that. That bugs me. Anyway, thanks for watching my video. Like, share, subscribe. Hit that bell to watch new ones. Have a good day. DOG out.